would you die the most painfully and quickly in the terrestrial planets aside from the Earth? Welcome to Creepy Crystal Month, my series where every day of October I'm sharing an eerie Earth science story. Let's start with Mercury. As you know, it's the closest to the sun, but it has no atmosphere, so that means it can get really hot and really cold. Daytime temperatures can get as high as 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and if that doesn't kill you for some reason, nighttime temperatures most certainly will, because they get down to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Death by either baking or freezing. Mercury. Next up is Venus, which has my vote for the ultimate nightmare of a way to die. Its thick atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide, at least at the surface, with a surface pressure of 92 times that of Earth, roughly equivalent to being 900 meters underwater, and temperatures around 870 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and clouds of sulfuric acid. Which means that if you were to suddenly appear at the surface of Venus, not only would you be crushed, baked, but you'd also be chemically eroded all at once. Death would come in seconds, and it would be excruciating. Cool. Last up is Mars. And Mars has a thinner atmosphere than Earth. It's not non-existent, but it is much colder there. Depending on where you are in Mars, you have average temperatures of about negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you were dropped on the surface of Mars, you would likely suffocate from the CO2 air and then freeze from the negative 80 degree temperatures. But it would be a slow death and likely agonizing, or would you go into a state of euphoria? So if we're talking maximum pain, minimum chance of survival, the obvious answer is Venus. So if you were planning on suddenly appearing at the surface of any of our terrestrial planets in our solar system, just make sure to avoid Venus.